Are you a beginner on the fitness journey, struggling to find time for the gym, or hesitant about expensive health club memberships? If you're seeking a transformative change in just 2 weeks, right from the comfort of your home, then this video is specifically for you. We'll dive into a comprehensive guide featuring 5 simple yet impactful exercises, perfect for beginners with no need for any equipment. Whether you're aiming to kickstart weight loss, build muscle, or enhance your overall well-being, these beginner-friendly exercises will pave the way for your fitness transformation. So, let's get straight into the list. Number 1. Lunges. Lunges are a cornerstone exercise for beginners, specifically targeting lower body muscles like the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. What makes lunges exceptional is their ability to provide not just strength, but also enhanced balance and stability. As a beginner, start with basic forward lunges, aiming for 3 sets of 8 to 10 repetitions per leg. These lunges, performed with controlled movements, promote functional strength crucial for everyday activities. Consider incorporating variations such as reverse lunges or walking lunges as you progress. The rest period between sets, around 1 to 2 minutes, is vital for muscle recovery. Lunges offer a holistic approach, making them an ideal starting point for your fitness journey. Number 2. Push-ups. Push-ups, though seemingly challenging, are a beginner's best friend for building upper body strength. Begin your regimen with 2 sets of 5 to 8 push-ups, gradually increasing the repetitions as you build confidence. Push-ups engage not only the chest, shoulders, and triceps, but also demand core engagement for stability. Maintaining proper form is key, ensuring a straight body alignment. Experiment with different push-up variations to target specific muscle groups and add variety to your routine. The rest period of 1 to 2 minutes between sets is crucial for optimal muscle recovery. As a beginner-friendly exercise, push-ups lay a solid foundation for overall upper body strength and conditioning. Number 3. Planks. Planks are a fundamental exercise for beginners, particularly focusing on core stability by engaging the abdominals, obliques, and lower back muscles. Starting with 2 sets of 20 seconds, beginners can gradually extend the duration as they progress. The plank position, maintaining a straight line from head to heels, encourages proper spinal alignment, reducing the risk of back pain. As you advance, the exercise also involves the shoulders and upper back muscles, contributing to overall core strength. The rest period of 1 to 2 minutes between sets aids in muscle recovery. Planks, with their static nature, promote flexibility over time, making them an essential addition to a beginner's workout routine. Number 4. Squats. Bodyweight squats emerge as an excellent choice for beginners, primarily targeting the hamstrings, quadriceps, and glutes. Commence your routine with 3 sets of 8 to 10 repetitions, focusing on mastering proper form. These squats not only contribute to lower body toning, but also enhance flexibility in the hips, ankles, and knees. As a weight-bearing exercise, squats stimulate bone density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. The rest period of 1 to 2 minutes between sets allows for optimal muscle recovery. Beginners benefit from the comprehensive engagement of major muscle groups, promoting both cardiovascular health and an increase in calorie expenditure. Bodyweight squats are foundational for any beginner's fitness transformation. Number 5. Burpees. Burpees, despite their high-intensity nature, are a transformative full-body exercise, incorporating a squat, plank, push-up, and jump. As a beginner, initiate your routine with 2 sets of 5 to 7 burpees, progressively increasing the repetitions. Burpees elevate the heart rate rapidly, fostering cardiovascular endurance, stamina, and overall strength. The explosive jump engages fast-twitch muscle fibers, contributing to improved explosive power and agility. The short breaks of 1 to 2 minutes between sets allow for effective muscle recovery. Due to their high-intensity nature, burpees create an afterburn effect, ensuring continued calorie burn even after completing the exercise. For beginners with time constraints, burpees offer an efficient and impactful full-body workout, marking a significant step in the path to a 2-week transformation. Remember to tailor these exercises to your fitness level, gradually increasing intensity as you become more comfortable and stronger. That's all for today. Don't forget to check out our other videos and playlists for more insightful contents as well. See you soon.